up to this evening. I am also very honored to be standing here before you all this evening as this year's salutatorian. Honestly, just receiving my diploma with my classmates is more than enough. But guys, we're finally graduating. It feels like it took forever to get up to this point. I mean, come on, we just completed 13 years of school, and for some, even 14 years. But looking back, it all happened pretty fast. I'm sure our parents would agree.
Yes, sir.
They're probably still in shock thinking, wait, yesterday they were in diapers and today they're graduating? Graduating high school. This evening's ceremony is just the opportunity for all to acknowledge our accomplishment and success and our declaration to continue on to achieve our future goals and dreams. Ending this chapter of our lives and taking the first step into a new one and having you all witness it means a lot. So once again, welcome. This evening's keynote speaker is a man that has dedicated his entire life to God. He has been a pastor and missionary for 33 years and has served in the Midwest of the United States, France, and Africa. He has a BA in business from the University of Maryland, a Master of Divinity from Grace Theological Seminary, and a Theological Master's in Biblical Exposition from Dallas Theological Seminary. He is a published author with a book titled Gold Under Fire, The Christian and Adversity. He has been married to his wife, Sherry, for nearly 45 years, and together they have 3 children and 7 grandchildren. He has been living in Guam and teaching biblical theology at Harvest Baptist Bible College for 2 years. His one ambition is to be a faithful servant and give God all the glory. Please put your hands together for Mr. Gary Crandall.